Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce long-term expenses with Lincoln Financial easy tutorial step-by-step clearly. Visit the Lincoln Financial website. Create an account or log in if you already have one. Navigate to the Financial Planning Tools section. Select the option for expense management or budgeting. Input your current long-term expenses. Include categories such as housing, utilities, and transportation. Review your monthly income to establish a baseline. Use the interactive tools to visualize your expenses. Identify areas where you can reduce costs. Consider refinancing options for loans or mortgages. Explore insurance options that may lower your premiums. Review your subscription services for potential cancellations. Set realistic financial goals to reduce expenses over time. Use the budgeting calculator to track your progress. Adjust your budget as necessary based on your findings. Engage with Lincoln Financial advisors for personalized advice. Utilize their resources for savings tips and investment strategies. Monitor your expenses monthly to ensure you stay on track. Celebrate milestones in your long-term financial goals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.